How the f do I start this off? Yo! Welcome back to Savage Reviews. It's the host with the most, this guy right here. Guys, you know what I bought today? Wow. This is called the TRAILGATER. It's by Outback Adventures. I'm super stoked. This is for the JK. Just to let you know, they make JK and JL model. And so I'm gonna do savage reviews. This is what I do. I do this for you, to tell you, is this worth it? Do you think it's worth it? I do. That's why I bought it. Alright, so I'm gonna break it down to you guys. This is how it comes in the box, really nicely packaged. You get a bag of all your screws and your inserts right there. You get instructions. The instructions are actually really nice. It's like really thorough. It's a 6-page instruction. I hate when they like, you buy something and you get a 1-page crappy instruction thing. No, this is really nice. So that's cool. And this is the tailgate itself. Imagine this being pushed against your tailgate. So this is basically when you open your tailgate up, this is what you're gonna see. I'm gonna talk to you about why I like this one in particular in comparison to other ones on the market where, yeah, they're gonna be a little bit cheaper, but the quality isn't all there. You have these 2 pins on either side. Pull the pins, and then your table drops down. Boom! This is a really nice service, and it's all stainless steel. So this is the one thing I really like about this table. In comparison to other ones on the market, when you see, they have like holes or slits in the bottom over here. Other tailgates that you see have like openings in them, and that's not really ideal. And when you're cooking and you put your fork or spoon or whatever utensil you got on here and it falls through, that sucks. It doesn't make sense. I like the fact that this is all one piece, nice, easy to clean, and that's important, especially nowadays. It's rated to hold up to 45 pounds, and let me tell you something. My boys have put things on here way over 45 pounds, so I know this thing is sturdy. The one really nice piece that I really like about this, check this out. Ready for this? Boom, baby! You got a bamboo, nice piece of extra workspace right here. I know the company gives you an option either for a stainless steel option or a bamboo one. I just went with the bamboo because I feel like it looks nicer. And I just like that, the feel of this. But, I mean, look at the amount of workspace you have right now. You're out there on the trail. I mean, dude, this is a good amount of workspace. You got your stove or whatever you have on here, and you got your workspace. So, I think this is a really nice tailgate. Most important part. Price. This is expensive, I'm not gonna lie. It's a premium price you're gonna pay for this table. I think I paid on the website right now for the bamboo table JK model. I think I paid $330 for it. You know, so $330. Is it more expensive than the other tables out there? Yeah, not by a lot more, but yeah, it's definitely more. But in my opinion, the quality of this is worth $330 in my opinion. This table is legit. I'm very happy with it. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna go install this bad boy right now, guys, and I'll be back. I'll see you later. I'm back, everybody. I just installed the Outback Adventures tailgater, and honestly, it literally took, I would say, max 10 minutes. I used 1 screwdriver. That's it. That's all you need. You don't need anything else. I'll show you how it looks. Hey, shit looks dope, right? Beautiful looking thing right here. And honestly, makes zero rattle at all. Zero rattle. I was gonna be sick and tired of hearing some. Nah, none of that shit here. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you how this tailgate works. On each side, you got the 2 pull pins here. Simply pull those out. Table drops down. And then for your extra prepping table, you got your nice slide out bamboo. A bamboo wood prepping table here. I just found out after pulling these pins in and out, closing this, that when you're putting this back up, this wood piece needs to be perfectly center. Otherwise, one of your lock pins will not perfectly close in place right there. Beautiful finish of the Outback Adventures tailgater over here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're in the market for one, I highly recommend you pick one of these up. I think it's a great addition to your Jeep Wrangler upgrades and setup. Jeep, just empty every pocket. That's exactly what I've been doing. I'm super excited to talk about the Jump Starter Professionals by a company called Jump and Go. I'm gonna do a separate review on this, but this is gonna be working hand in hand with the Enter Camp right here. So make sure to tune in on the next video.